Welcome to the Kingree Welding channel. Today, we present to you the welding demonstration of the Kingree Tig315 AC/DC welding machine. This powerful and compact machine not only delivers impressive performance but also comes in a small size, making your work more efficient. Whether it's steel or aluminum alloy, this Tig315 can handle it perfectly. Now let us try its performance in welding 10mm stainless steel workpieces. First, making sure all the wires and tubes are correctly plugged in, also checking the welding gas are in stable supply. Then we can set up the welding amps. For this 10mm stainless steel per piece, about 160 amps will do the job, and other related machine parameters. We use DC mode, no pulse, near control, for T mode. As for the start amps, we can choose approximate 30 amps for causing arcing. While all the preparations are done, let's dive in. The Kingree Tig315 AC/DC welding machine also delivers impressive performance welding aluminum. Below, we will demonstrate the welding process of a 5mm aluminum plate. Before we begin, please ensure the correct use of welding wire and shielding gas, and also ensure the welding parameters on the machine are set correctly. We will set the welding current to approximately 150 amps, choose AC, no pulse mode, select, near control, choose, welding, select 4T, and set the arc starting current to around 30 amps. Then, we can proceed with the test welding. The welding demonstration displayed by the Kingree Tig315 AC/DC welding machine on aluminum plates is equally remarkable. You can judge by the beautiful weld scene. With the pulse function and adjustable pulse frequency, this machine offers advanced IGBT technology, providing high power and a high duty cycle. Also high frequency arc starting for a high success rate and stable arc, ensuring high penetrability in welding. It has wide range of welding capabilities, suitable for various welding process requirements, while taking compactness into account. This machine is available in air-cooled and water-cooled versions. Thank you for watching the welding video from Kingree Machinery. We will bring you more machine demonstrations in the next video.